I think what we see is the narrative against progress and development is consistent. So gusto nilang lagyan ng political color yung constitutional amendments na pinupush ng House of Representatives. When in fact, on the table are purely economic amendments. This was the same argument and threats posed by the Senate na sinabi na i-abolish daw sila, matatanggal daw sila. Tapos ito naman sinasabi na to perpetuate power, etc., etc. You know, it's really the same narrative being thrown against the proposal to push for charter amendments. But, you know, like what Jack has mentioned earlier and the other colleagues have been parroting since, you know, we fought for this. You know, how long do we have to wait? We're in the same level as Cambodia already. We're 8th from the last. When do you want to actually realize the full potential of the country? So we're happy with the development of the Senate. We look forward to them having discussions quickly. Let me emphasize quickly kasi Majo mentioned a timeline earlier, although I'm quite concerned because when I heard the statements of Senator Coco Pimentel, ang sinabi niya, parang kakailanganin ng mahigit 1 taon to sa Senado para pag-usapan. So, siguro yun ang kailangan natin malaman mula sa mga kaibigan natin sa Senado, yung timetable. They gave. So, we'll hold them to that. March.
Yeah. Regarding, to add to that, yung sinabi kong timetable, hindi po kami nagbigay nun, ha? May records na nag-issue ng statement po yung Senate President at sinabi nila, Senate President Mig Subiri, tatrabahuin nila to at they will try to have it for March para i-transmit po sa amin. So, sa kanilang timetable to, hindi po sa House of Representatives. In fact, this development is a welcome development for us. Kung matransmit nila sa amin ng March, nandito na sa amin yung bola, tatapusin namin para pwede na natin ipresenta sa taong bayan for a referendum. Pagbubotohan na ng tao. Ngayon, yung mga ibang agam-agam na may people's initiative, hindi na po magagawa yon kasi isa lang po pwedeng initiative for every 5 years. Now, with regards to the suspicion that we are trying to do this to have somebody become a prime minister or something, records will prove, tingnan po natin ano yung transmit ng House of Representatives sa Senado. Hindi po yung sikreto. Those are public records. Anong transmit ng House of Representatives sa Senado? Resolution of both Houses number 6, authored by 302 congressmen, Constitutional Convention to amend the economic provision. So wala pong nilagay doon na political. So I do not know kung saan po galing yung political, klarong-klaro po sa transmit ng House of Representatives that is for economic provisions that we really feel that in each and every Congress, sa lahat ng speaker na dumaan dito sa House of Representatives, we're trying to push to update that 37-year-old Constitution. So, siguro balikan po natin, I'm challenging those who are accusing the House of Representatives of trying to put in this, pushing for this constitutional amendments or changes in our Constitution to review. Pakita nyo po yung dokumento na nagsasabi na we are pushing for those type of political changes. You present. We challenge them to go and check the records of the Senate of what we transmitted. Tama na po yung istorya-storya at kung ano-anong kalokohan. Kaya nga masaya kami ngayon upon learning that the Senate is now going to Deliberate on it. Ang tagal na po nating iniintay yan. So tama na po yung mga kung ano-anong storya. Let's stick to the facts of what we transmitted to the Senate, and we welcome the development from the Senate telling everyone in this country that they are going to discuss their RBH number 6, proposing amendments to the constitutional, to the economic provisions of the Constitution.
Yes, Majority Leader, can I add more? To the question of the statement of President Duterte, former President Duterte, that the PI will lead to some people to become prime minister, and there will be it will be a perpetuation of power. That has no constitutional and legal basis. Constitutional. People's initiative cannot change the form of government or the system of government. We are unitary. We cannot change it to federal through people's initiative because revision na yan eh. We cannot also change a bicameral form of government. System use of form ito. A bicameral form of government into a unicameral form because the PI will only be for amendments. Now, we therefore can see that there is no basis in that, and also on the law on people's initiative, clearly amendments lang. So it can never happen to this PI that there can be a change to parliamentary to elections for prime minister. And so therefore, that is very clear. It has no legal and constitutional basis to say that this is for, PI is for perpetuation of power of election of prime minister. So that is very clear. Thank you.